Well, Happy New Year. Uh, the traditional Gregorian calendar greeting for January 1st of every year. Happy New Year. I wanted to share why the New Year's holiday matrix is actually of great benefit for us right now, especially if you're an empath. See, if you're a sensitive being like I am, there are benefits, and this is one of them. And the reason is because as we start this new year, you can feel that those in the collective are pushing the reset button. So it's a typical thing, leave behind the old year, welcome in the new. It's the thing that we do every year. And the energy of everyone else on the planet, or at least the majority of the collective who are participating, the benefit of all of these beings participating in that reset is that we as light workers, we as sensitive beings get to harness that resetting energy to really amplify our creations of light. So I'm curious, what are you guys creating? Put it in the comments. Because when we, thank you, Fernando, we are the reset. Yes, indeed. That is my whole point. When we come together and share our creations, like we do in the Creation Temple, like we do in the Creation Temple Facebook group, when we come together and share our creations, we amplify our creations of light. So put in the comments, what are you guys creating? What are you creating for this year? What are you creating in terms of heaven on earth? What are you creating in your personal life? However you want to frame it. Type in the comments, let me know, what are you creating? And we're going to bring our collective love and attention to our creations of light. And we can feel, again, those of us who are empathic, those of us who are sensitive, we can feel that there is a collective energy that is going through this reset right now. People are intentionally wanting to leave behind what no longer serves. People are collectively and intentionally wanting to create something better and new for this coming year ahead. That energy's in the air. You can feel it, right? So using this matrix holiday is of great benefit for us right now. And we have a small window, right? People set their intentions of what they're creating. And, by the mid-month, by the end of the month, they've kind of, the New Year's resolutions have faded, and the energy of creating something new has faded. Now, not for me, because I'm always in creation. I'm the facilitator of the Creation Temple. That's my purpose here on the planet, is to, share about creation and encourage your creations. But for most people in the collective, this newness, this new energy, this desire to create something new fades pretty quickly. And so we have this small window of, maybe about a week, maybe 2 weeks of harnessing the collective energy to really infuse our love into creating something new, creating something better on the planet. So share in the comments, what are you creating? Thank you, Fernando, for your contribution. Yes, Fernando's creating many amazing things. If you're not, Fernando Vasa, if you're not in touch with what he's doing, follow him on Facebook. He probably has a YouTube. Look up Fernando Vasa and see all of the beautiful architectural sacred geometry creations that he's bringing to the planet. A huge contribution. So follow his work if you can, if you have any interest in creating heaven on earth. He's a big contributor of what's happening. And the rest of you guys, you're big contributors as well. But the thing that you need to do is to step up, to become more visible with what you're creating, to become more confident with what you're creating, to become more centered and powerful with what you're creating, and to share what you are creating with more people. Because if you have something in your heart that you desire, that's beautiful. But if you're not putting it out there, if you're not sharing it with people, if you're not broadcasting it, Now is the time to broadcast loudly. It's not the time to sit back and kind of marinate, let's see what this year brings me. No, now is the time to really honor what your hearts are desiring and allow them to come through in a stronger, more visible way. Allow them to come to your conscious awareness in a stronger, louder way, and allow yourself to emanate and to broadcast what you are desiring. If you don't feel like you have a safe place to do that, join us in the Creation Temple, either in the Facebook group or as a Master or Supreme Creator in the Creation Temple, because we are at the highest levels of the paid membership. We're getting together every week and sharing our creations and transforming ourselves. And if you can't afford that, or if you don't want to invest in yourself in that way, that's fine. Join us for free in the Creation Temple group so that you can share your creations and start to broadcast it. Start to get the word out about what you're doing, what you're creating, so that you can receive support, so you can receive the amplified energy of others who are creating similar things or others who are honoring what you're creating. Bring that into the light. Let your creations be seen. Let your heart's desires be seen. And if you don't have people around you who honor what your hearts are desiring, then start to create that community or join a community that's already formed. So, just to recap, right now we have a very precious window of harnessing the energy of the collective creating something new. Now, we might get lucky and have a longer window. Maybe it'll be longer than a week. Maybe it'll be longer than 2 weeks. But if it follows trend of times past, then the window is very small of when the collective will be in creating something new mode. We're working to change that, of course. We're working to awaken the collective. We're working to have the collective understand how powerful they are. Oh, yay, Sherilyn. I love your work. Oh, man. And you guys, Sherilyn's another person to follow. Brings beautiful energetic signatures through her artwork. So definitely, if you can follow her on Facebook. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel. But there's so many people bringing through amazing things, beautiful art, beautiful energetic signatures, beautiful light codes. If you don't feel confident in what you're bringing through yet, look to these people for inspiration. I've mentioned Fernanda Vasa, I mentioned Sherilyn, myself, obviously. Follow the people, look to the people for inspiration who are already bringing through their work in a loud, emanating way. And you guys, my promise to you this year is I'm going to get louder, I'm going to get bolder, I'm going to get stronger, I'm going to get more powerful in bringing through the message of light and bringing through the message that you are powerful creators. Because 2019, this is a huge opportunity for us to gain traction as light workers. And so right now, this 1 week, this 2 week window right now is to really harness the energy. Take a deep breath with me and feel your own power. Feel the collective energy, wanting something new, wanting something of higher vibration, higher frequency. Breathe that into your belly. Breathe that into your being. And allow yourself to be powerful in what you are creating for the light. April 11th through the 14th, we are having our Codes of Creation retreat here in Sedona. So if you have not looked into that, check that out. You can go to creationtemple.com/retreat and see what we're doing, see what we're all about. This is the time where you're going to get support for your creations that you're bringing into the world. Thank you, Julia. I know how much you are bringing into the world this year, and I'm so excited for your path to really blossom as you step forward in your powers as a creator. And you guys, this is just such an exciting time. Now, I'm not saying that after this, first week or first 2 weeks of January that your powers of creation will fade. No. But this is a time right now, while the collective is ripe, while the collective is wanting something new, to step into your powers as a creator. to create something new on this planet, to put all your love and intention into heaven on earth, whatever that means to you, and to bring your light forward, to bring your light through, to shine bright, whether it's through your artwork, whether it's through your words, whether it's through your presence, always through your presence. Whatever you do, whatever you say, allow your words, allow your energy to be of the highest frequency possible. I'm a work in progress. I'm working on it too. This is the path. So I love you guys. Thank you for showing up for this live stream. Thank you for showing up in your lives. Thank you for showing up for your creations. Just feel your heart. What is it that my heart desires to bring forward in 2019? Feel your heart. What is my contribution to heaven on earth? And just keep feeling your heart. Always. Much love. Mwah.